Welcome to Plant a Seed with me. This is your 1-minute meditation to come back to center, to rewire your mind, reclaim your time, and redirect your energy. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel your feet on the ground. Your roots are deep. Your presence is undeniable. Rewire your mind with this truth. You are not behind. You are arriving. Reclaim your time. This moment is yours. Redirect your energy from doubt to power, from fear to focus. Walk into the room like you belong, because you do. Take one more deep breath in and feel that calm power rising within you. You are grounded. You are here. You are undeniable. Thank you for planting this moment with me.